Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Here my focus is majorly on English speaking practice. I want you to start speaking in English. That is the best way to learn to speak English fluently and confidently. If you start taking up things and start speaking on it, that is the best way to start speaking in English and to get fluent and confident in speaking in English. So today I'm going to take another topic and I'm going to speak on it. You have to focus more on the vocabulary used and the sentence construction or the sentences which I use. These are very basic, simple, general sentences which I take up to describe something, right, or speak about something, so that you can easily follow me. You can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me. You can take the topic, you can add your own ideas and you can start speaking on it. Or else what you can do is you can only listen to my video. That will also be a listening practice for you. So whatever you want to do, you can start doing right away. Now let's get back to today's topic. So since I've attended a wedding at my hometown, so I'm going to talk about the wedding today. How was it? What was there? And everything else. So stay tuned. The day of the wedding arrived. Everybody was busy. They all were planning for the big day. Everybody wants to look good. Everybody wants to look presentable. And hence everybody puts in a lot of efforts to get ready, to choose the right dress, jewelry, makeup, etc. whatever for the big day. As usual, I also decided my dress, my jewelry and ready with everything. But before that, I'm going to talk about the decoration, how the decoration was. The theme of the decoration was red and white. So the stage and the tent was all made with red and white colored cloth. And apart from that, there were lots of light decorations. There was a lot of lights which was used for the decoration, which added to the beauty of the venue or the event. Apart from this, there were lots of flowers which were used for the decoration as well. And some were artificial flowers and some were real flowers as well. And it all looked so beautiful. The way it was decorated, everything was used and put in right place, boosted up the charm and show of the venue. I loved the detailings of the decoration and the venue looked amazing. It looked very spacious. It looked very spacious and beautiful, fancy. There were sofas, there were chairs, tables. There was a buffet table. So everything was done very properly and with finesse. So this was the venue. Now it was evening and we all got ready and went to the venue. The bride was also getting ready and the guests also started coming in. So we started meeting a lot of people there. It was all relatives, friends and family gatherings. So I knew a lot of people. So we have met after a long time. There were a lot of guests and we all met after a long time. So it was a big gathering and it was very memorable. Along with meeting everybody and chatting with them, we started having starters also. There were a lot of starters like chowmin, pani puri, mocktail counter, tikka counter, chaat counter, etc. etc. There were lots of things. So whatever came our way, we just tried those snack or starters and it was delicious. So while chatting and meeting people, we had starters. And then it was time for groom to come. So we received the groom and then the ceremony started. After that, we had dinner. It was a little late, but then it happens in Indian wedding, right? So we went to the buffet counter to have dinner. The dinner was also amazing. Taste was too good. It was delicious, flavorful and extraordinary. The highlight of the dinner was biryani for me. Trust me on this. And the sweet also. The sweets were also very good. But overall, the dinner was also great. So I liked the dinner. And we had a lot of people there to have dinner along. So while having dinner also, there were a lot of people around. So we all spoke about different things. We all had a discussion on different topics, and how time passed, we didn't even realize. So overall, it was a great event. I actually enjoyed this wedding a lot. The only thing which was a disappointment was the weather. It was very hot. It was extremely hot there. But then there were a lot of arrangements of coolers and fans and other stuffs which helped us to cool down. But again, since it was an open space, so things were a little difficult to manage the temperature. But overall, the arrangements were great and everything was on spot. The best part of this wedding was I got to meet a lot of people whom I've met since ages. So that was the best part of the wedding. And we met everyone. We spoke to everyone. I met everybody. I spoke to each one of them. And it was great to know what they're doing, where are they, etc., etc. The kids and, etc., etc. So this is how family functions or festivities bind you or help you to know each other better and more. And that is why I always like to or love to attend family function. So I would suggest if you have a family function, do go for it. You will get to know a lot of people. You will meet a lot of people. You will talk about a lot of topics. You'll have a lot of discussions, and then you can collect everything and you can come back and speak in English about it, right? So that was how I described the wedding which I attended. You can also take up any festival, any wedding, any ceremony, anything which you have attended. You can just start speaking about it, right? In this way. In my next sessions, I'm going to take up topics or discussions I had with my relatives during the wedding, or whenever people meet each other at any function or any ceremony, what they talk about, what are the general topics which comes up. I'm going to take up in my next session. So stay tuned. And guys, if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Another important announcement, I've come up with a shorts channel also in which I take up everyday, day-to-day activities and I speak about it in English. I've spoken about my skincare routine and I have a lot of other interesting stuffs which I'm going to put up in the coming week. So do check out my channel. I'm going to give the link in my description. Bye-bye. Take care.